Hello, everyone. Uh, uh, let's wait for 5 more minutes for everyone to join. Start. Good evening to one and all. Uh, I cordially invite our guest, Miss Nikita Gandhi from Google. She is a community manager in Google, and our honorable chairman, SNVL Narasimha Raju, our director, Dr. Amarnath K, our principal, Dr. Arvind, and DSC faculty advisor, Dr. BK Manjuna, and our all the department HODs and the faculties and all the our beloved students and friends. So today we are here to start our DSC club in the Oxford College of Engineering, Bangalore, and this is the first year we are starting developer student club in the Oxford College of Engineering. So so I would like to invite our SNVL Narasimha Raju, our director, so to speak a few things. Madam. So sorry for that. Actually, our chairman, due to an urgent, like there was like sorry for the inconvenience due to an important work. Our chairman today, and I would like to invite our director, Dr. Amarnath K, to sir to speak a few words on our developer student club.
Good evening. Welcome to this inauguration of Developers Students Club DSC by Google. Students from undergraduate or graduate program with an interest in growing as a developer are welcome to this. By joining this DSC, students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their community. This is a technical platform to learn or upgrade their skills in cutting edge technologies under Google platform at free of cost. All these Google platform from alone, it will be highly costly. If you're joining this, students are joining this or faculty is joining this club, they'll get almost this at the free of cost. They can also do their project works and interns through this by their contacts. This will fetch them good number of jobs also if they improve these Google platforms. All my heads of the departments, we are requesting them to give wide publicity in the Oxford and make more members to DSC club so that students will get full benefit. I wish all the best for our students of the Oxford DSC club of Oxford College of Engineering. I thank my management for giving this opportunity to do this in our organization. I also thank all the enthusiast students who have given me opportunity to give a small talk on this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words to our students. Now I would request our faculty advisor, Dr. B.K. Manjunath, to talk a few words on our club.
Good evening, the August gathering. On behalf of our chairman, Dr. Renat, and our director, Dr. Amarnath sir, and our principal, Dr. Arvind sir, and I cordially invite and welcome Nikita Gandhi for this inaugural function. In fact, we are very grateful to the Google Students Developer Club for providing an opportunity for our students to open their branch in our institute. And our institute is primarily aiming at providing a techno platform for our students and faculty who would like to proceed in their career. And regularly we do organize techno meets, webinars, conference, and other kind of things, and provide a platform for our students and faculty to interact with the eminent scientists, eminent developers, startups across the globe. And I hope this DSC will provide a platform for our students who want to enrich their knowledge. Because in today's world, education institution, if they provide only the syllabus-oriented knowledge, it may be insufficient for our students who get out of the institute and get exposed to the entirely different world. So in that regard, the students who are trained in a multidisciplinary approach, who knows each in and out of the technology, will be of great benefit to the society. Today, actually, it is a techno world, and all in case if you don't make your technology available for the common people, I don't think this technology will survive for any more days. So we are aiming at providing a solution to the common people with a multidisciplinary approach. So today's engineers should be in the position to understand the multidisciplinary concepts, and they should be in the position to implement their multidisciplinary knowledge in providing solution to the societal problems. Especially when it comes to Indian context, Indian agriculture sector is much poor in technology. Because Indian agriculture field, it has got its own uniqueness. Okay? So I think it is right thing for this young developers, students club members to take up the tasks and to take up the problems faced by these farmers, so that we can reach our technology to the doorstep of our farmers. It may be in cultivating, or it may be in providing weather information, or it may be providing in marketing strategies, or it may be in assisting the crops that they are supposed to grow. This kind of techno platform is actually needed in our Indian farming sector. And when it comes to multidisciplinary approach, it is always beneficiary for any students who knows in and out of many technologies. Say, for example, if you take a group of students who are DSC members, one from biotechnology sector, one from mechanical sector, one from robotic sector, one from mechatronics sector, one from mechanical and civil sector. So it would be helpful for them to sit together and start thinking at one particular problem by approaching in a multidisciplinary fashion. So definitely this kind of platform will help them in thinking in multidisciplinary approach and provides a perfect technological solutions. So in this concept, I hope our students has taken a very good and ideal steps. And Google being the master of technology are rightly providing opportunity for our students and faculty to exchange their ideas and enrich their knowledge in the present day technology. I wholeheartedly congratulate all the team members of DSC Club, and I thank for them for choosing me as a faculty advisor. And once again, I welcome Dr. Nikita Gandhi for today's inaugural function. I hope this DSC Club in Oxford College of Engineering will thrive well and will outcome as a pioneer center in providing technology-based solution to a societal problem. Once again, I thank my management and our director and principal for providing me an opportunity to become the faculty advisor of DSC. And I once again thank Google for in taking an initiation of this kind. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words were really inspiring for the students. Now I would like to invite our honorable principal, Dr. Arvind sir, to talk to you on class.
Hello, good evening, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your
Yes,
voice is
sir.
audible.
Good evening, everybody. I take
Good
this
evening, sir.
opportunity of the inauguration of the Developer Students Club at the Oxford College of Engineering to be a great pleasure for myself for having had this opportunity. I, at the outset, thank my management for giving me and for providing the students this kind of a facility and approving our needs. Then again, I should also thank Google for supporting this activity. And I welcome Dr. Nikita Gandhi today, International Community Advisor for Google Developers Students Club, to inaugurate this function. Regarding the club itself, my predecessors, Dr. Amarnath and Manjunath, have said everything that has to be said. They have not left much for me to say and add to it. Only that I wish that the club grows in strength to strength, students make best use of the facility provided, of the support given by Google, and then emerge as successful developers. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. Today, thanks for all the thanks for the chairman, principal, the director, and faculty advisor for giving us a great motivation for all the students. And today we started the DSC TOCE club in the engineering officially. Our honorable director and the faculty advisor inaugurated today. So now I would like to invite our chief guest, Ms. Nikita Gandhi, the community manager at Google Developers, to speak few words and inspire the students of the Oxford College of Engineering to develop new things, to learn new things.
Thank you so much, everyone, for having me today. And I'm really excited to talk to all of you. It's always great to connect with students and going back to those memories. And having said that, I recently graduated, so I can connect with all of the students very well. Really excited to talk to all of you today. Before that, quickly want to know how you all are doing. Hope everything is well with you. Hope your near and dear ones are keeping safe and healthy. Um, so yeah, I know 2020 is not a great year. Not all of us have got the best as we expected to happen. So with that, really want to make sure all of you are feeling good and are doing well. All right. I really wish we could do this session in person, and had it been a normal year, we all would have gathered in a hall full of hall full of students, and this would have been more exciting. Of course, it's been like a lazy year for many of us. It's not that great. So, with this, I'd like to share a few thoughts that might add hopes to you and can also help you think in different ways on how this pandemic situation can also add to the positivity in the current scenario. All right. Okay, so I don't have any formal presentation, but I can quickly share some experiences from my side on how communities can help you given this pandemic situation. And then if you have any questions for me, I am happy to answer those as well. Does that sound good to you?
Yeah,
Yes,
madam.
I'm very
Yes,
happy to hear your experiences.
Awesome. So let me share my story with all of you. I completed my education from Cummins College of Engineering in Pune. So this was a women's college in Pune, and yeah, so that was the place where I graduated and I completed my engineering studies. So when I joined engineering, I was not a bright student. Neither I was very enthusiastic about taking engineering because, honestly speaking, I wanted to pursue something that has more social dynamics to it because I always wanted to help people and create impact in their lives. So one fine day, I also came to know about Google Students Clubs, which is now known as DSC program, and I enrolled for that for the position of core team member. So I went through a couple of interviews, which was taken by my senior, who was a Google Student Ambassador, now known as the DSC lead, and yeah, she was very impressed with my interest, and then I got into that club. After I started getting involved in this club, honestly speaking, I was an introvert and I was not very confident about myself, my skills. I was a shy person. And I always thought these community events or meetups were for people who understand coding well. So they come together and talk about programming. So, being just a second year student, I thought, what would it be for me? What would they have for a student like me who's just an average student? Um, but as time proceeded and as my lead needed some help, I learned different things with the situation, and this basically gave me the stepping stone to get into tech. So imagine there was a workshop where she needed some help with installations. I would study that by myself so that next day I can help another 20 people with the installations. If she's doing a workshop and she's teaching, then I perhaps would help her solving the doubts coming from the audiences because it was difficult for her to manage all the students alone in the same hall. So this is how eventually I started growing and started learning more about tech. One fine day, I also gave a talk on Python. That was my first workshop that I still remember. Then my senior asked me to share a blog about it. Some newspaper agencies interviewed me after that. So this started giving me more and more confidence. I got a travel grant for Seoul in Korea for PyCon Seoul. So these were the opportunities that kept boosting my confidence and enthusiasm at the same time. So yeah, these were the starting points. Now, given that you're sitting at home and you don't have an opportunity to connect with each other in person, there are a lot many things that you can do. Uh, One is creating an impact is like one thing that you can do as an individual contributor, or you can come together as a team and contribute to the society. So in this pandemic situation, we have seen so many challenges and we have seen so many difficulties that each of us are facing, and we thought things would have been better in case there were different alternatives to this. For example, you wanted to see your friend who's not keeping well, and there was no, so she was in isolation and you could not meet her. So, what would be the different things that can actually make you feel that you are actually meeting your friend in person, so that you don't feel like you're missing your friend? Or the contact tracing. So, there is a lot of work that can still be done in contact tracing, identifying the disease with smarter ways. How can we stop the disease being spread? A lot of people have lost jobs. How can we help more people get jobs in this situation? So consider those people who cannot use internet or smartphones. How do they look for job opportunities? Is there a way you can make it easy for these type of people? Think about those businesses which have come to a halt already, but there are so many blue collar workers who are looking for jobs. What can we do with the help of tech to solve such challenges? But before you think about these bigger problems, we all need to understand tech very well so that we can build solutions based on the feasibility, right? So when I say that contact tracing is an unsolved problem as of now, how do we actually solve for contact tracing? We need to understand how technology works, and then how we can see how we can implement it for a problem like contact tracing, right? So, with that, I would highly encourage you to start learning different areas of technology that interest you. You can be a mobile developer, you can be a web developer, you can be a cloud engineer, you can be a data scientist, whatever inspires you and you aspire to become. Think about those domains and start working towards it. Regardless you solve the bigger problem or not, but it will definitely make you feel a lot more confident because you're able to write your own applications, you're able to write your own code. So for all this, your college syllabus is like a very, very good way to get started with, because those basics sound boring. But trust me, these are your foundations, and this will really, really help you to build a strong foundation for yourself. I can see some faces smiling because I know not all of us enjoy the college curriculum, but this is what I realized a little late in my college years itself, that if it would have been, I would have taken these courses seriously. This would have helped me become a better engineer, maybe. For example, think about arrays. We look at arrays as just a concept, that, arrays are what, it's a stack of uh, things, right? But beyond that, think how arrays are implemented. Where exactly arrays are implemented? What is the difference between arrays, stack, and queue? And where exactly you can implement these three concepts? So understanding the practical implementation of these things will really help you become a better developer, a better programmer. So all of these opportunities like developer student clubs and other open source programs help you to connect with expert speakers, connect with different people who are also interested in learning new things. You meet with interested people who are interested in solving similar challenges. You meet with people who give you motivation to learn new things every day. And this is why Google has this concept of setting up developer student clubs in different campuses. So identify these opportunities for you and see how it can help you become a better professional, how it can help you to build a stronger portfolio that helps you become job ready. Um, if we have more time, I can like continue talking, but few things that are ongoing is, one of them is the Cloud Study Jams 30 Days of Cloud campaign, which is already ongoing. From the GDG side, which is the program I manage currently for India, GDG and GDG Cloud. So there are 50 GDG and GDG Cloud chapters in India, and all of them have come together for the first time to host something called as DevFest. This is a 3-day online event for developers around the country and beyond, wherein our expert speakers are going to come and showcase their solutions on how to write simple applications, like how to write a Book My Show application from scratch, how to build a fiery Pokemon website using Firebase, Angular, PWA. We have experts who will demonstrate their code to build cross-platform applications. So you write one single code base that runs for both the platforms, mobile and web. We have some experts who are going to demonstrate their code for machine learning algorithms, present some case studies for you. We have some interesting cloud experts also who are going to talk about how to get started with Google Cloud Platform if you haven't already, how to deploy applications on Google Cloud Platform, and how to work with large complex data sets. So these examples will definitely help you understand how different domains work. It will give you some exposure to it and will also help you understand what exactly interests you in case you're still confused. What do you get started with? For example, you're confused. Do you want to get started with web development? Do you want to start with machine learning? Uh, and we also have a lot of interesting icebreaker activities with a lot of schwags to give away. So this is going to be a fun-filled event. We call it as a code concert because our expert artists are going to demonstrate their code live for all the attendees. So do not miss to register for DevFest India if you haven't already, and spread the word so that it can help more and more students get job ready or also find their areas of interest and build a stronger portfolio.
That become very motivating every student here. I hope this can help every student to develop a good skill in the college days and can get a better job and lead a community. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Nice talking to all of you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to talk more about developer students. More about developer student club. Developer student clubs are university-based community groups for students interested in Google developer technologies, and by joining, grows their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local business and their community. Like this is the best place where students gather together and they learn together and they grow skills together. They build and the main thing that they get is networking. And the human services because there are more than 1,000 developer student clubs around the world in top prestigious universities, and we are one among them. And this is the first year that developer student club has started in the Oxford College of Engineering, Bangalore. Why do we need DSC in the college? What we do in DSC actually? As I told you, that DSC is the best place where students from different domains, different domain come together and they meet different people, different like people, and they start creating ideas and start working on that ideas to build that projects and bring it to the like to solve the problems in the societies. And this is the best place where it helps students to learn. In developer students club we invite like guest lectures, we invite resource people, we also have few resources that are provided by Google. So this is a best place where we really give like best resources for the students to learn for free. And here by with connection, by doing networking and by learning, they improve themselves in the skills, they grow themselves, so they can get the better job in the like after the college they can get better job.
ಏನು
Our goal is
ಯಾಕೆ
to educate students and empower them to impact their communities through technology. So we have four mantras in developer student club. The one is learn together, find a problem, build together, and resolve it. Learn together in the sense we join together and we'll make ideas together and we'll find the problems that are faced in the societies. Our main goal in DSC TOC is not like just learning, like just attending the workshop, organizing the workshop, just watching the videos, coding videos. We are not like just learning it. We want to use those learning and build a project with it. So the problems in the sense, we just don't want to build a project like final year project or a database project. We want to find a problem that is faced in the society. The one real world problems that we find, and the whole team, we have the best, like we have a good team where the students are working, like they're learning good skills, so they will put those skills to solve these problems. So, so even we are inspired from few stories, few inspiring stories from other developers groups. Like for an example, for the one story that inspired us a lot was from Madurai. The three girls in Madurai who were from the developer student club, who were studying coding through online, and they built an app for the women's safety. Like they built an app with coordinations of the police department in their local area, and with that app, today that app is really used by everyone in Madurai. So the app was mainly concerned for the safety of women. So such stories are really inspired us. So even we are trying to find such problems in our area, and we are trying to build a similar kind of solutions to the problems. And even there is another example, like the another example that inspired us was the Indonesia's flood alert app. Even this project really like inspired each person in our group, because they really create an app which can help the people who were staying in an area where it is prone to floods, and which can tell them before the like, which can like predict them whether their area comes under danger zone. So such apps, such ideas were really inspiring us. The social related ideas. This is, this is another this is the another example that inspired us. Like I can show you the examples. The examples were changed, like the technologies that use everywhere. Like each one used different technologies to find the solution for the problem. The Madurai girls used an app. They built an Android app to give a better safety for the girls. The flood relief, they use the web, they use the latest technology like REST APIs, web technologies, and the app to create the flood. Similar way, even AR, like Ghana students, the students from Ghana use augmented reality. So they built an app for visualizing things, like teaching the students. Next. So this is our team. We have this is our best team that we have. We have few other teams in our, like we have few category in our teams. Like we have technical team, and under technical team we have machine learning team, web development team, machine women tech team, and even Android development team. And we have management team who handles every events that is organized by the Developer Student Club Oxford College. We have a media team, and who handles all the social media handles. We even have a women tech team that is only like especially like we are like focusing on the women, the girls in our college, which can encourage the girls to take part into the technologies. Like yeah. So I would request I would request Manoj from the technical team to come and speak more about the technical team.
So hello everyone, this is Manoj. I'm the technical lead for the DSC TOCE. So I will be speaking the main thing, what's the technical issues that will be happening with us. Like why do we have to exactly join DSC? As Purna spoke about right away, like why DSC is required and why do we have to do DSCs in a community? So the main thing is we'll have outreaches, we'll have many other people, who are very strong in the technical issues, have collaborated development with us. They'll help us in gaining our technological stuff. So this is the main reason why we joined DSC. Okay, so it will help you connect with other students interested in development technology and then various majors. So we can learn about wide range of technical topics through workshops, training, and project building activities. So you can apply for the new learning and connections to build solution for a local problem. So as Nikita Gandhi spoke, ma'am, you were like you told that how important DSC was. Like, we'll get people from all over the sources, and we can speak with them, we can collaborate with them, having what new technologies to be done properly. So when it comes to education, so we see that how many people are developers, and particularly how many developers are students. So when we go and see, there are like 75 people who are mainly students. I mean, there are like non-student community who are developers. Okay, and now when we come the S number of times, so full-time developers are like 18%, and S part of the time is 6.2% of the people are like completely into developing. So when we come to contribution of open source, as we all know, how open source is very important. Like, you have to develop your concerns and everything, and then you don't have to open source it. But the main thing to get into technical stuff is to having your source code open source. Yeah, and then when we go on to next terms, so we can see the correlated technologies. I mean, how technologies are connected to each other. So you can see there are like many fields. There are many fields where you can see the branches and all the related stuffs, where you have the database, you have your AI ML stuffs. They're like completely connected. So this is how we make things very important. There are like many projects right now we are taking up in DSC. So me being technical lead, I want the projects to be majorly explained. So the recent topic, I mean, the major topic that we have taken up is hydroponics. As we all know what hydroponics exactly is, we are using IoT and AI things. We want to make it completely automatic. We have to make the agricultural resources, very helpful and very useful. So what hydroponic is? So hydroponics is a type of horticulture and is a set of hydroculture. So, where it is a method of growing plants, usually crops, without soil, by using mineral nutrient solutions in an aqueous solution. When we plant crop, and water the moisture of the surface, if it increases, there may be difficulties in maintaining. So we thought of coming into a very precise solution for this to get up a hydroponic solution. And the other project that we have taken up right away is data science. I mean, analyzing the students' data. This can be very useful for all the colleges. We are preferably getting in this technology to improve our college strategy. When you get the data of all the students, how they're studying, we can majorly predict how good people may work on in the future. So this is mainly analyzing the data for the students and predicting the results for the end semesters. And give insight about the students' progress. We can manage them. We can maintain how they are going on. We can get in a very clear information about all these things. And mainly, these are the major projects. And as we know, like, we have technical team, and then we have women tech team. We are like very much concerned to have a women tech team in our technical team, and we have Chetana Panda as a lead. So I request Chetana to continue with the technical team. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Manoj. I hope I'm audible enough. Hello, everyone. So I'm Chetna, and I'm in the second year of my computer science major. And as of right now, I am in the position of a women tech lead in the DSC TOCE. So we are, like Manoj said, are a part of the technical team that focuses mainly on women in technology. So it includes the women from our campus and also from nearby. So what we do is we provide them with information so that they can build up their technical skills, so that they can, stand on their own. And, the environment that we sort of portrayed is something that is secure for every women around us to actually grow. The main focus that we have of the women tech team is that, we look for the common problems in our locality. That's mostly faced by women in general, and we come up with technical solutions for it. So as of recently, we have picked up a project which, we have to come up with a convenient and drug-free solution for menstrual cramping. So what we do is we want to focus on alleviating the pain and the discomfort that is caused by menstruation, mostly for the lower back and also the cramp pains. So what we plan on doing is we plan on using the Raspberry Pi and the IoT for developing the heating pads so that it can give the relief during those times. So this project as whole will be mostly taken up by my fellow women team makers, and thank you so much. And so as of right now, I would like to invite my teammate Jayashree to walk you through the management team. Over to you, Jayashree. Thank you.
Thank you, Chetina. So, hi, I'm Jayashree. I'm doing my 4th year in ISC major. I'm the management lead of DSC TOCE. So, we often refer a management team as the backbone of DSC. It is because a strong management team is particularly significant if the club has a goal to develop and grow. The operation of the entire club will depend on the management team. Our team focuses on event handling and club building. The interactions among the core team members and the management team is making things possible. The aim of our club is to conduct all the upcoming events and handle them effortlessly and run the club to benefit all our fellow students. As a lead, my role is to ensure the daily operations and functioning of our club. So whatever events we are planning, we keep planning on a daily basis. Every day we spend at least 1 or 2 hours to plan on things beforehand so that we run the event smoothly. Administrative tasks such as planning and organizing, as I just told, and having weekly and daily meetings, programs, and keeping members' recruitment lists, and maintaining all the list of events beforehand. So that is an important one, and that is handled by us. Setting goals for the management and core team is an important role for us. So setting short-term goals and long-term goals for a longer run of our club successfully is very important. And organizing team building events. That is whenever we have new joinee members, we keep having icebreaker sessions like how Nikita Gandhi told us. So we'll be having icebreaker sessions, and every now and then we'll have a stress buster event as well. So that is also being organized. And dealing promptly with our grievances of each member of our team members, the core team members, will be handled. And this is what we mainly do in the management team. So that is why our management team is known as the backbone. So thank you. Now I request our media team lead, Shibangi, to take over. Thank you.
Thank you, Jayashree and Manoj. The technical team and the management team is really doing great in the club.
Thank you so much, Jayashree. I hope so. So for any club to run successfully,
So we have Shibangi from media team lead, and I would like to invite her to talk to you about our club. Our team is making an impact. Like our team is very important for the club. Shibangi.
hello, everybody. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, Shibangi, you're audible.
Okay, I'm really sorry for the network issues. So can you hear me now? Okay.
Yes.
So, yes, thank you so much. So, good evening, everybody. I apologize again for the network issues. So, good evening, and I'm Shibangi, the DSC media lead. So, for any club to run successfully, it should reach its target audience. And this thing would be done by the media team. So, why is media team known as the support system of DSC? So social media is important because it allows us to engage with our target audience no matter which location they are in. Okay, so it plays a major role in connecting people and developing relationships. You might not know, but Facebook alone has 1.2 billion active monthly users. So that means that it has a vast connection monthly. So social media allows us to get our messages out to our target audience faster. It dramatically helps increase both visibility and the club's awareness. Okay, so what are my roles of a media lead? So me being a media lead have to take up a lot of responsibilities. Firstly, me managing social media accounts such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. is a very important thing. Okay, then building strategies for the club's promotion by understanding the characteristics of our target audience. So, me putting up a content in a social platform is very important. The type of content I choose is important. So the method I would use to connect to a teenager will not be the same if I want to communicate with a baby. So the type of content is very important. If the media team ensuring proper teamwork. Okay, so if the media team does not work properly, then the club wouldn't move ahead. Right? Okay, and then diversifying the content to be put in a particular social media platform. So, the type of content we upload in social media platforms would help us engage better with the target audience. So, if we lack the diversified content, then it will be difficult for us to connect to the target audience. Then, creating an attainable plan. So, coming up with a plan and choosing effective and realistic content is very important. This will help in conveying apt messages to the audience as the message gets lost. So, if I have a content and if I'm posting it, but people are not able to receive the message what I am trying to tell them, then everything will go in vain. Okay. Lastly, checking up on social media statistics. So having a check on how your content is being followed up by the people is real important. This helps us compare the already set goals with the achievement. So whatever the club is doing, if I'm not able to promote it properly and make it reach to the target audience, then the effort goes in vain. So thank you for listening to me, and now I would like to hand it over to Komal.
Thank you, Shibangi. It was. I hope media team is really working hard in making our club popular, and media team and the management team is like a backbone of the main DSC TOC club. And even the Manoj, the technical team, the ideas that they have proposed, and I'm really hoping for at the end of the year. I think I am really like excited to see the projects that our club is going to make. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. And I would like to invite Komal Sharma, the Women Tech team, to for an ice-breaking session. Yeah.
Okay, so hello everyone. I'm so excited to see you all over here right now. So you have heard enough about us and what we do. So now let's just have some time to understand you guys. So I have shared a link on the chat, and it has even been shared on the YouTube live chat. Okay, so please do refer that and join soon. Okay, I'll be waiting. So we have the link. All right. So we'll just have some small activities, and I assure you it won't be boring. Okay, so please do join soon. Okay, I see some participants joining. Right. Yeah, let's just wait for just a few more minutes. All right. Okay, we have 16 participants. So let's just wait till we get about 20, and then we'll start. All right.
Also, I would like to thank all the teachers and Nikita ma'am for wishing us luck. Your support is very important for our club to reach heights. Thank you.
Okay, so now we have a lot of participants, So let's start our event. All right. Okay. So let's just start with something very simple. I would like you all to describe yourself in just one word. Okay. Just one word. Yeah. Okay, I see some dumb and crazy. Okay, let's be a little more positive here. Smart. That's nice. Lazy. Yes, all of us are a little lazy. You know, it's said that laziness is the mother of all evil. So yes, and energetic. I see a lot of people saying energetic. Crazy. Yes. A human being. All right. So fantastical. Creative. Wow. I see a lot of positive responses over here, and I really like that. Nice, multi-talented, anime, innovative, breathtaking. Wow. I really like how everyone has such a positive response about themselves because, you know, when things get hard in life, so it's always important what we think about ourselves. Okay? Undescribable, growth friendly, void. Okay, Naruto. I see some anime fans here and I'm impressed. Okay, that's nice. Creative. A lot of people are saying crazy, energetic, and creative. You're smart, you're a friend, you're a nakama, multi-talented, hero. That's nice. Okay. It's really good to see such responses from your side. Okay. So now let's see the next question. And now I would like you to tell, when you were a child, what did you want to be when you grew up? You wanted to be a genius. Wow. Everyone wishes at the time, right? To be a genius, a prodigy, a genius, a teacher. Wow. I hope you all actually become what you wish. Teacher, dynamic, rich. Oh, rich, yes. Everyone wants money. Dancer. That's nice. Smart, fearless. Wow. Sports person, football player, aeronautical engineer, smart, rich. Wow. I see a very diverse range of activities. Okay, DSC lead. Well, soon, maybe. Okay, a neurologist. That's nice. A sports person. A black man. Okay, a pirate king. Okay, a football player. That's very good. I really like how you guys are responding so well to this. Positive responses are always good. Appreciated. Okay, what do you expect to gain from joining DSC? Knowledge. Yes, you will. Skills, smart, certificate. Oh, we can guarantee you will get all of that. You're going to get a lot of experience when you join DSC. Yeah. Knowledge, yes. Improvement in myself, get into practical, t-shirts, and okay, smart. Yes, we can ensure you'll get all of that. Okay. Goodies. There are a lot. Recently, yesterday, we had a Hacktoberfest, and we did, for all those people who did commit, and they created pull request, they will be getting t-shirts, you know. So join DSC and you can look forward to many such events. Yeah. Yes, connections. That's good. Like-minded people, yes. A lot of the people, the members of the DSC presently, you'll find them very very supportive and they are very knowledgeable. So if in case you're ever stuck or you need any assistance, so they're always ready to help you. Because when I joined DSC, so the leads were always there to help me. And, you know, I learned a lot of new things just by staying over here for hardly a week. Okay. Oh, I'm getting a lot of positive responses. Okay. Okay, so let's head on to the next question now. What is your favorite programming language? Let's see. Python. Oh, that's my favorite language too. C. Yes, I'm using C too. There are a lot of programming languages out there. JavaScript, Java. Oh, someone says they hate C, huh? Even if you hate a language, there are many options for you. So yes. Here. Yeah. Majority have chosen Python. Yes, Python is really good. You know, you can actually use Python for developing a number of codes. Django, Java. Yes, Java is really versatile too, you know. Okay. Fine, so we've got a number of responses. Let's see the next question then. SQS, okay. Okay, so name some hot tech trends. Okay. So there are a lot of topics that are going on right now. MongoDB, React, AI, yes. You have AI, you have IoT, blockchain, yes. You have cloud computing, quantum computing, data science, VR, gadgets. Wow. There are so many new trends lately, right? And if you join DSC, you're sure to go into the fields that you actually like. Data science, there are data science, AI, VR, yes. So by joining DSC, you will be able to, you know, look into all the other areas that you haven't explored yet. Okay. Yes, I see many new trends too. Some that even I didn't know. Okay, we have robotics. Yes. Okay. Wow, I'm really impressed by the positive response that I'm getting. Okay, so now that we've discussed some hot tech trends, let's have a tiny quiz. Okay, it's going to be a very basic quiz, very simple questions. All right. So let's see. Okay. Okay, we have had people joining. Okay. Right. Okay, so we have a lot of people. So welcome everyone. We have a very small quiz. You don't have to be afraid or anything. It's going to be very simple. Okay. Just a few questions. Okay. All right. So I think we have reached a stable number. So we can start now. All right. Okay. So your first question is, which social media app only lets you view pictures and messages for a limited time? Your options are WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, or Facebook. Okay. Time's running out. Please select your answer quickly. And let's see. Okay, we have 69% participants who picked Snapchat, 23% who picked WhatsApp, Instagram 8%, and Facebook 0%. Okay, so let's see what the answer is. Well, Snapchat. Snapchat is the app that allows you to view pictures only for a limited time, but you can also save and then view them later for a longer time. All right. Okay. Question 2. What is the name of Elon Musk's aerospace company? Options are Blue Origin, Tesla, SpaceX, and Boeing. So we have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. SpaceX. Wow. Okay. And we have some 17% response for Tesla. Let's take a look at the answer. The answer is SpaceX. Tesla, yes, it is a company owned by Elon Musk, but it is not an aerospace company. On the other hand, Blue Origin and Boeing are both aerospace companies, but are not owned by Elon Musk. Okay, so the right answer is SpaceX. Okay. A question named after Larry Page, the basis of Google's search technology is called. So this is actually an algorithm, okay, which helps you to search on Google. Okay. So okay, we have Larry Engine's search page, PageRank, and Page Engine. Okay, so let's see what the right answer is. It is PageRank. So PageRank algorithm it lets you, prioritize which article is going to be shown to you first when you do a Google search. Okay. Next question. How many different colors are in the Google logo? We all use Google almost every day, so we ought to know how many colors are there in the logo, right? So please pick your answer. And okay, we have had 22% for 5 colors, 6% for 6 colors, and 72% for 4 colors. And your correct answer is 4. You have red, blue, yellow, and green, right? Okay, our next question is, which IT company's nickname is the Big Blue? So your options are American Express, PayPal, Twitter, and IBM. Okay. So, okay, we've had some response. 50% have chosen Twitter, 6% PayPal, American Express been chosen by 6%, and 39% people have chosen IBM. And your correct answer is IBM. So congrats to all those who picked IBM. Well, the nickname Big Blue was given to IBM not only because of the blue color and its logo, but also because in the initial time their computer display had a bluish tint in it. That's why they named it the Big Blue. Okay. So when was the electronics company Nintendo founded? Your options are 1889, 1946, 1969, and 1975. Time's running out. Please pick your answer. And let's see. We have 12% who picked 1889, 24% who picked 1946, 29% who picked 1969, and 1975 was picked by 35%. And your correct answer is 1889. Nintendo is a Japanese company which specializes in gaming. Yeah, you would have heard of the Nintendo Switch, right? So initially, Amazon only sold which product? Electronics, garments, grocery, or books? So let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see what responses we have got. Okay, we have said 17% have picked electronics, 11% have picked garments, 11% have picked groceries, and 61 have picked books. And your answer is books. I know it might come as a surprise to a lot of you, but turns out, yes, it was books that were sold first by Amazon. Okay, so this is a tricky one. The name Google originated from the misspelling of. So you have 4 options. Please pick your answer quick. Okay, so you have 65% who picked the first option, 29 who have picked Google, 6% have picked the third answer, and no one has picked Google. All right. So the correct answer is option A. Okay. Google actually means it is a number that is 1 and followed by 100 zeros. So they were trying to represent that they would be reaching out to a large audience and they would have a lot of data in it. Okay. But because of the misspelling, it is now spelled as Google. Okay. Okay. Created in 1990, what was the name of the first internet search engine? Your options are Yahoo, Archie, Bing, and Yandex. Okay. Okay, so let's see how many of you have picked. Oh, 33% have picked Yahoo, 33% have picked Archie, 27% have gone with Bing, and 7% with Yandex. And your correct answer is Archie. It was the first internet search engine which was developed even before Yahoo, Bing, or Google. Yeah. The last question is, what is the name of the British computer scientist who invented the World Wide Web in 1989? That's Tim Berners-Lee, James A. Gosling, Dennis Ritchie, Clifford Edward Berry. I hope you have all picked your answer. Okay, we have 44% response for Tim Berners-Lee. James A. Gosling has got 6%. Dennis Ritchie has got 31% and Clifford Edward Berry has got 19%. So let's reveal the final answer, and that is Tim Berners-Lee. Yes, it was Tim Berners-Lee who invented the World Wide Web. James A. Gosling was the founder of Java, and Dennis Ritchie founded the C programming language. And Clifford Edward Berry had actually developed the first electronic computer, So let's see. This is okay, we've got our winners. We have Hemant Singh, who has got 10 out of 10. Anirudh got 9 answers right out of 10. Raj Raju got 9 out of 10. And Dump Turtle? Okay. So that user has got 7 out of 10 and Nagendra has got 7 out of 10. Okay, so congratulate all the winners. Okay. So that's it from my side for today. Okay, so we'll do this happen. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Komal. It was a really great ice-breaking session that you took. The questions were awesome, and even I took part. And yeah, it was really great. I congratulate all the 3 winners. Hemant, yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, so everybody would be like thinking like how to join the DSC club, like how to get into DSC club coding. So for those who are like, people are sending me personal messages like, I want to join DSC. It's great to hear those things because we need people who are interested in technologies. Yeah, so I'm sharing a slide. This we are to select people for the team. Like anyone who's interested in DSC club can join directly in whichever domain they are interested. But to join the core team, we are looking for people who have particular skills. So to like get the particular people, we are having a test that is in the website that we have developed. The web development team has developed a website to where a student can take up a test, and with the test he will get an auto corrected marks. So with the marks, and we are not considering marks, don't care about the marks, we are mainly considering how he thinks, the way he solves the problems, and the way he approaches the problem, like the way he approaches to the solution. And whichever domain you are good at, maybe you are a good designer, maybe you can design good After Effects, anything it might be. Like if you are the one whom we are like expecting, then we surely like would like to take you for the team. So if you are interested, like we'll send we have sent a message in the chat box, the test link. You can just go there, www.dsctoce.tech/test is the test page. You have to create your own account and you have to just take up a test. It's a very small test. Don't worry. There are no, like there may be one technical question and every question are very easy to answer. Yeah. Yeah. So if anybody have a questions to ask, you can open up your mic and you can ask any questions, and our team is ready to answer each question. Or you can just drop a message. You can directly message me or any team member. You can clarify the things. And we will be sharing the feedback form shortly. So please give your feedback. So that would help us to improve our next event. Teachers' feedback. Like we are really excited to see the teachers' feedback and even the students' feedback. So yeah, thank you. We have. Okay, I forgot to mention one more thing. We have a few feedbacks that we got from the teachers. Mainly, we have got few feedbacks from head of the departments, from few departments like electronics, and few teachers from information science and engineering. We'd like to hear it from them. Yeah. Yeah. The first. So sorry for the inconvenience. I guess there's some error in the technical team, so we couldn't play the audio. If Manju Devi, Dr. Manju Devi ma'am is present in the call, I would request her to speak a few words, few inspiring words and few feedback to give on this event. So sorry for the inconvenience.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am. It's audible, ma'am.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening to all. It's really good seeing you students perform so good. I wish you all the best and hope you will do such events regularly. And more number of students will be joining after they come to know what is the importance of this club. Once again, on behalf of Electronics Department, myself, Dr. Manju Devi, wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would request, I would be playing Vishalini ma'am's, we have Vishalini ma'am. She is a assistant professor in information science and engineering. She has given a wonderful feedback about our DSC club. So I would be playing Vishalini ma'am's message. Even we have a problem in the playing the audio. If Vishalini ma'am is present in the call, I would request her to come up and speak few words about the club lively.
It is good to see you all participating in a big event like this, grouping all the development team together and showing your contribution to everyone for improving themselves. It is good, nice to see you all. Keep it up. Okay, all the best for your future.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a wonderful feedback from you. I would we have one more feedback from Preeta Sharma, ma'am. She's Dr. Preeta Sharma, ma'am. She's from the Department of Electronics, and she takes care more about the innovation that is done in our college. So I would request Preeta Sharma, ma'am, to come up and speak few words about the club and the innovations that is done in the Oxford College of Engineering. Yeah.
Be very happy to congratulate Oxford College of Engineering students, all the branches, and I'm very happy to know that it is a multidisciplinary branch. So all the students are involving in this club, which is the Developer Student Club. Fine. So I will just add on from EC department. Recently, yesterday only from site project, our student got one award where we have developed a device. That device you have to just throw in any lake. So what it will do, it will read the water quality and it will just all the data it will put in the web. So and from web we can take the data and we can say that okay, this lake is not proper. So like this, our other student has made robotic hands. So robotic hands means if hand is not there, then you can wear it. So it is wearable hands. And I'm happy that people also got award from the Mysore on project competition. So like this, EC department even we can contribute. So thanks for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Those inventions were really great, and we are also hoping for that you guide us in the Developer Student Club to develop such things, and even the students from the Developer Student Club would create such projects, and those projects can really come into the society and solve a lot of problems. Thank you so much, Preeta Sharan, ma'am. Guys, just a Q&A session. If you have any questions to, if you have any queries and you want to know the answers, you can ask in the chat box, or you can directly unmute yourself and you can ask. So we are even live streaming in YouTube. If anyone have any questions to ask in YouTube, you can just put up in the YouTube chat box so that we can answer regarding Developer Student Club, the Oxford College of Engineering, Bangalore. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. I think everybody got whatever we tried explaining till now. So there are no questions that is asked by the audience. So I think this is a time to wrap up the session. We will be sharing the feedback form to your mails, and I want you guys to fill up the feedback form, which can hardly take 3 minutes. That can help us in improving for the next session. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you, teachers and HODs and all the faculties from all the departments.